Hello, my little coders. Welcome to Magnet Brains. This will be the lecture 1 of Level 2, Module 3. In this module, we are going to create 3 games. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to create 3 interesting games. So, are you guys excited? Let's start. Our first game will be Catch the Object game. Okay, for that, we require 2 objects. One, the object we are going to catch, and one will be the catcher which is going to catch our object. Okay, for that we have to select a character. You can delete this default character and close this box. Go to choose a sprite. Here you can choose a character of your own choice. You can choose apple, ball, balloon, banana, baseball, anything you want. Okay, so I am choosing apple. We are going to catch apple, and now we have to select our catcher. So our catcher will be an bowl. We are going to catch the apple in the bowl. Okay, bowl is going to be the catcher. So for that, we have studied our characters are working on x-axis and y-axis. Okay, I want my apple will fall down from here at random positions downward, and the ball will catch the apple by moving left and right. Okay, so apple will work on y-axis because our y-axis is our standing line, and the ball will work on x-axis because it is moving left and right at the sleeping line. Okay, so we are going to code it accordingly. Let's select bowl. In this we have to add an event block first. Okay, I want to change the position of ball here and here. Okay, means left and right. So if I will go here, तो x axis की value plus होगी, and if I go back side then x axis की value minus होगी. You all understood that ना? If I will go here, so x axis value increases, and if I go this side then x axis value decreases. Okay, so I will go to motion block, change x by 10. Okay, x की वैल्यू 10 से चेंज हो जाएगी, मतलब प्लस 10 हो जाएगी. कब? I have to add an if block. I will select if block if the value of x axis changes. So how? कैसे चेंज होगी वैल्यू? जब मैं अपने कीबोर्ड की राइट एरो की प्रेस करूंगी तो मेरा जो बाउल है वो राइट वर्ड मूव करेगा, और जब मैं लेफ्ट एरो की प्रेस करूंगी तो वो लेफ्ट वर्ड मूव करेगा. ओके, सो फॉर दैट वी विल गो ऑन सेंसिंग ब्लॉक. हेयर की स्पेस प्रेस्ड को मैं सिलेक्ट करूंगी, देन इंस्टेड ऑफ स्पेस आई विल सिलेक्ट व्हाट की? राइट एरो की. So if I press right arrow key, then the x-axis value changes from 10. Okay. Same we have to do for left side. We will go to if block. If left arrow key pressed. Okay. So instead of space, we have to select left arrow. Then x-axis value changes by 10. Not 10. I told you that if I go here, then my value increases, and if I go here, then the value decreases. So we will do it minus 10. Okay, and now we will place the whole code into a forever loop, so it will run continuously, it never stops. Okay, let's check. Green flag clicked. I will move the arrows. See, if I am moving right arrow, the bowl is moving right side, and if I am moving left arrow, the bowl is moving left side. So the bowl part is sorted. Now we have to move to the apple part. Okay, let's start. For apple, we have to place the same event when green flag clicked. Okay, now I have to define the position of apple. I want apple to be thrown from upside at random positions. Okay, so you all know that the straight line is the angle of 180 degree. Okay, so let's set the position of x axis to 180 degrees. Set x to 180. Okay, एंड नाउ आई वॉन्ट कि वो रैंडम पोजिशंस पे थ्रो हो नीचे, सो आई विल गो टू random positions and place it here. Okay, but how? See, if this position is 180, so downward position will be minus 180. Yes or no? So if my apple goes from here to here, then if it crosses minus 180, then it automatically goes upwards and set to 180 at random position. Okay, so for that we have to select an operator, this one. But in this we have to apply a condition. If our y-axis position increases from minus 180, then our apple will automatically go upwards to 180. Okay, so here I have to write minus 180 instead of 50. What minus 180? Position of y. Okay, so see, if y position is greater than minus 180, then go to random position, set y to 180. Okay, तो अब ये अगर मेरा एप्पल नीचे आएगा तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली ऊपर चला जाएगा 180 पे, बट अभी हमने इसको नीचे आने का कोड तो लिखा ही नहीं है, तो चलो वो लिखते हैं. अब ये नीचे आ रहा है, तो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट इफ आर वैल्यू और इफ आर ऑब्जेक्ट कम डाउनवर्ड्स, then our value decreases. So we have to change y by minus 5 or minus 10. Minus 10 is also okay. Okay. And now we have to place this whole code in a forever loop. Okay. Now let's check. If I press green flag, see, apple is dropping and it is again coming upwards at random position. See, पहले वो यहाँ पे था, फिर यहाँ पे, फिर यहाँ पे. एंड अगर मेरे को बाउल से कैच करना है तो मुझे बाउल्स ऐसे मूव करना पड़ेगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ एरो कीज. ठीक है, अगर मुझे एप्पल कैच करना है तो मेरे को ऐसे वर्क करना पड़ेगा. बन गया ना हमारा गेम. अगर आपको ऐसे ही और भी गेम्स बनाने हैं तो आगे के वीडियोस देखना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.